Welcome to Everyone's a Millionaire podcast. Sean, did you have any mentors or role models, whenever you left the sales industry, or really even before so, but I guess specifically once you left the sales industry and you decided that you wanted to do real estate, and how did they help you? And usually I don't ask who they are, but you already mentioned Ron LeGrand, no problem. Love Ron. He's a great guy. I'd imagine you probably had a couple others, but essentially the question is what did you learn from these people? And why was there so much value in having both mentors, role models, and people that influenced you?
Well, as you mentioned, Ron LeGrand is definitely one of those, and I got to give my hats off to Tom Kroll as well. He was another huge influence in my career and in my ability to just
Tom's
understand
a good friend
things.
of mine.
Absolutely,
Love him.
and just to understand things from a different perspective, so that you can understand how to not only achieve wealth, but how to maintain it and grow it. So without Tom's help, without Ron's help at the beginning, my mind was just not wrapped around the wealth building process. I was more around generating money, if that made sense. And that's
Yes.
two different things. Making money and creating wealth are two different avenues.
How far along do you think you would, and this is actually off of my list of questions. It's not on my question list here, right? How far along do you think you would be in terms of percentages if you didn't have any mentors at all?
Ooh, wow.
I mean, I would guess I'd probably be 15 or 20% to where I'm at today without having people helping, showing me, guiding me, coaches, all these things, right?
I don't even think I'd be there, brother. Yeah, I'd probably be at 5%, honestly, because there's so much that you just don't know until you know. There's just things that you just don't know. You just don't know what you don't know. And without the exposure and that guidance, you're not going to know not
only are they guiding you in the right direction, but they're telling you, hey, don't do that.
Exactly.
And that's,
don't get caught in the shiny object syndrome.
Just as valuable as, hey, do this. That's valuable, but don't do this. Man, that saves you time. It saves you money. It saves you heartaches. It saves you stress. It saves you losses. The list is endless, So cool.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Okay, number 4.